Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a 7-minute flat abs workout for you. This one is all about really tightening up that lower belly and saying goodbye to belly pooch. And that is why I wore all black today. I don't normally wear all black, but I feel like it was like death to the belly pooch day. So it's like a funeral for your stomach. You know what I mean? Anyway, we are about to kick off a 2-week ab focus challenge, my crop top crunch time challenge. So if you haven't gotten signed up yet, the link is down below. You can literally join anytime. You get a free printable calendar. I'm giving you guys 2 weeks free in the LSF Fitness app, so make sure you sign up for that. Everything's below. But right now, I want to get into like those deep core muscles and really work on toning and tightening up our stomachs. So if you are ready, sweat the thumbs up, click it, and let's get started. So for today's workout, I'm going to be using my LSF Fitness sliders. These are dual-sided, so you have the softer side for hard surfaces, the harder side for soft surfaces. So I'm going to move my mat when I want to grab these and get moving. So if you don't have your slider discs yet, I'll put the link down below to grab them for you because they seriously make the biggest difference in your ab workouts. But you can use towels on hardwood floor or something like that too, or tile today, and you'll still get an amazing workout. So I'm going to show you guys also how you can modify a little bit with no equipment. It's just not going to be like the same like intense level as the slider discs will be. So we're going to start on our back. So you don't need anything yet. All the way down. We're going to find those low ab muscles together first. So you're going to tuck your pelvis, draw the belly button in. You should feel your lower abs already start to engage just with that little pelvic tuck there as you press your low back in the mat. So I just want you to literally stay here, relax and tuck, relax and tuck. This is where you go like, Katie, this feels so easy. And it does right now, doesn't it? It's not going to be for long, don't worry. I mean, easy, like you can accomplish it, but your abs are going to be screaming. Up and down, good, tuck. For 4, 3, 2, keep it tucked and lift your heels off the floor. I want you to press your feet away from your body just an inch or two so that you feel that catch even more. It's like, whoo, hello, we're on fire. So just push those knees out. They shouldn't be tucked in. That's too easy. Press them away. Keep your shoulders on the mat. Pull your rib cage together. Keep that belly engaged, pulling down toward the spine. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Tap your heels, lift them up. Tap them down, lift them up. Your rib cage is gonna wanna butterfly open as you drop those heels. Don't let it keep squeezing in. If you wanna challenge yourself a little bit more, you can just lift those shoulders off the mat. But oh my gosh, your lower abs are gonna be on fire right now, you guys. Up and down. I think the coolest thing about doing moves like this is no matter how you feel about the way your body might look right now, you can recognize the fact that you freaking have abs. Even if you don't see them yet, right now is where you feel them. You get that check. And that to me is so powerful because starting to see your abs, that's something I never thought would happen for me. I never thought I'd see abs. That's where nutrition comes into play. Getting your nutrition right, fueling your body, really making sure that you're giving it everything it needs to be able to burn fat, build muscle, and show you that definition. So keep putting in the work here, targeting those muscles to help shape your body and adding the nutrition to start to see that shape be revealed is where it all comes together. Up for 4, give me 3, you got this, 2, and 1, hug it in. Good, quick hug here. Come all the way up. You're gonna grab your sliders. I'm gonna roll my mat. This is my dual-sided LSF Fitness mat. So it has 2 sides. The pink side is what I use my shoes on, so my more high-intensity workouts. The marble side when I'm doing more like low-key, mellow workouts because it has a nice grip on it. So I'm gonna flip these onto the hard side. We're gonna come onto the sliders with my toes, come up on to a full plank, and all I want you to do is bring that knee in and take it out. Then switch, out. So we're gonna come on the outside of the body. Good, in. Shh. Press your hands into the mat or into the ground. Draw the belly button up and in. Keep pushing the ground away. And exhale, squeeze that knee around and up to the elbow. Good, in, back, back. So you're getting a little obliques here, but still those lower abs. And your whole abdominal wall is working in this high plank. Good, press, press. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a break, drop the knees, shake it off. How are we doing? Good? All right, you guys, I'm gonna move the sliders, coming back onto my back. Just gonna leave it folded for now. So we're gonna take a half jack. It's gonna look like this, arms overhead, half jack up, right? So we go down and up, lower, lift. You get a little support, a little help from momentum here with those arms up overhead. Exhale, inhale. Keep your posture tall. Reach the crown of the head toward the sky. Draw the belly button in as you lift and drive that knee up. Good. Keep looking up and then straight ahead as your body lifts. Exhale. You got this. Come on, come on. 8, you are so strong. I know you feel like it's almost impossible sometimes, but it's not, you guys. You can modify, you can go slow, you can do less, but do not stop. Give me one more, and lower. Now you can stop for a moment. You get a little break. We're gonna come back into the sliders. Look, I'm gonna be real honest. This next one, it's a little challenging, but I know you can handle it. I'm gonna show you a modification first, so that as we get into it, if you're like, whew, too much, then we can stop. But I know you got this. So for our first modification, you're just gonna come into a high plank. You're going to step in with the left leg, step in with the right, and push your hips up into a downward facing dog. That's it. In, press up, okay? We're gonna be doing the same thing on our sliders. Your abs are going to be like, ah! It's gonna feel so good though, you guys. So your feet are gonna come onto your sliders. You're gonna go left knee in. So last time we came out to the outside, you're driving right to center here. Left knee, right knee, pike. Bring it up. We go left, right, pike, left, right. Drive it up. We have been working every inch in just 7 minutes. The amount of burn and strength that you put in right here is incredible. Drive, up, back, in, up, back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, come on. 3, 2, give me that final pike. And drop. Whew. I don't know why I just got like wrecking ball in my head at the end of that, just like, I think that's how I felt. It came in like a wrecking ball, just wrecked my abs. We breathe. Final little push here, back on your back. So we took those half jacks. Now we're gonna take it all the way up. Here, and lower, up and down. We're not here for long. Exhale, good. 8, 7, 6, 5. We're gonna hold on 1, 3, 2, hold, 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 hold. We go right and left and right and left. 8, 7, 6, squeeze those abs. 5, for 4, 3, 2, 1, let it go. If you guys are feeling that right now, I mean, I know you are. I just want you to comment below, death by abs, or like abs by Katie. I don't know, something that just is like, oh my gosh, my abs, because I know I am after only 7 minutes, and that is freaking incredible. And I have so many more awesome short workouts like this, videos and step-by-step at your own pace in the Love Sweat Fitness app. So make sure you guys download the app. You can get 2 weeks for free right now. I'll put the link down below. I love you guys so much. It's fun doing these workouts with you again here on YouTube, so I'll make sure I'm mixing more up, and I have more coming very soon for you. So if somehow you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It means so much to me. It tells me and YouTube that you like my content so I can keep making more for you guys. I love you. Don't forget, good things come to those who sweat, so I'll see you guys next week. Bye.